At home or on the go, where does your entertainment come from? Do you enjoy listening to internet radio? Is there music you've always wanted to have and don't know how to get it for free? Audial's Radio Tracker offers you the best features on the market for getting all the entertainment you crave quickly and legally without ever having to pay another cent. The Audial's Radio Tracker database puts the world of internet radio at your fingertips. Over 50,000 internet radio stations, every music title, every album, and every artist stand ready for automatic recording. Just select the artists, albums, or music titles you want, click on Start, and watch your musical whims be fulfilled in an average of 25 seconds. As soon as any wish begins playing on one of the over 50,000 monitored radio stations, Audial's Radio Tracker automatically records it for you. After your recordings have been completed, Audial's Radio Tracker automatically completes them with ID3 tags, cover artwork, and even lyrics retrieved from the internet. Additional functions make playing recordings, burning discs, and synchronizing music with your mobile devices as easy as child's play. Audial's Radio Tracker also gives you intuitive access to the internet's vast ocean of podcasts. You get fast, clearly organized, and direct access to detailed information for each podcast episode. More than 20,000 MP3 tracks in 24 hours? A library of free entertainment that goes beyond extensive? You can bet on it. Take Audial's Radio Tracker for a test drive today.